Hi and welcome to our new season of Real Talk. My name is Matilda, and in 2014 I left Sweden to spend a year abroad in Arizona, USA. My exchange year was such an amazing experience that I even now, 5 years later, still talk about it. That's why we decided to take Real Talk out of the studio and hit the road. So for 30 days we traveled across the US from Minnesota to Oregon, visiting 11 EF exchange students and their host families. Follow along as these students show us their beautiful states and share their incredible stories. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any episodes.